Imagine a place where the rhythm of life flows as gently as the tide, where sun-drenched cliffs rise above turquoise waves and cobblestone streets lead to golden beaches framed by history. Welcome to Lagos, Portugal, a coastal gem of the Algarve that captures both the soul of old Portugal and the beauty of its breathtaking shores. From ancient castles and sacred churches to world-famous beaches and hidden sea caves, Lagos is a destination that enchants travelers with its blend of culture, charm, and adventure. So, let the rhythm of Portuguese life sweep you away, whether you're savoring local cuisine, soaking up the vibrant culture, or watching the sunset paint the sky in shades of gold. Join us as we count down the 13 best things to do in Lagos, Portugal, a journey through history, beauty, and coastal wonder. Number 13. Explore the old town of Lagos. There's no better place to begin your Lagos adventure than in its historic old town. Wander through narrow cobblestone streets where every turn reveals a story, from charming boutiques and cozy cafes serving authentic Portuguese dishes to centuries-old buildings adorned with traditional tile work. The whitewashed houses splashed with bright colors create a postcard-perfect scene straight out of a dream. Step inside the church of Santo António, or pause at one of the town's shaded plazas to soak in the atmosphere. As night falls, the old town transforms. Live music fills the air, laughter spills from tavern doors, and the streets glow with warm, golden light. Number 12. Lagos Castle, Castelo de Lagos. Step back in time at the Lagos Castle, a fortress that has guarded the city since the 8th century. Originally built by the Moors and later expanded by the Portuguese, this stronghold once defended the coast and even served as a prison. Today, visitors can stroll along its ancient ramparts, explore its towers and courtyards, and take in stunning views of the city and sea. Inside, the small museum showcases artifacts tracing Lagos's fascinating evolution through the ages. It's a living monument to Portugal's maritime spirit, where every stone whispers stories of courage and conquest. Number 11. Church of Santo António, Igreja de Santo António. The Church of Santo António stands as one of Portugal's most dazzling Baroque masterpieces. Step inside and prepare to be amazed. The entire interior glimmers with gold leaf, intricate carvings, and hand-painted blue and white tiles depicting biblical scenes. It's more than a place of worship. It's a living gallery of devotion and artistry from Portugal's golden age. For travelers drawn to history and architecture, this church is an unmissable treasure in the heart of Lagos. Number 10. Slave Market Museum, Mercado de Escravos. To understand Lagos's deeper story, visit the Slave Market Museum, a poignant reminder of the city's role in the Atlantic slave trade. This was once Europe's first slave market, and today, it stands as a powerful memorial to those who suffered. Inside, thought-provoking exhibits and multimedia displays bring to life the human stories behind one of history's darkest periods. The tranquil memorial garden offers space for reflection, a reminder of how history shapes the soul of a city. Number 9. The beaches of Lagos. Lagos is home to some of Portugal's most breathtaking beaches, each one a paradise of golden sand and crystal-clear waters. Praia Dona and Praia do Camilo are the crown jewels, framed by dramatic cliffs and turquoise waves that seem to shimmer endlessly. Here, you can swim, sunbathe, or explore hidden caves carved by the sea. And just beyond lies Ponta de Piedade, a spectacular headland of limestone arches and sea pillars, best explored by boat or kayak for a truly unforgettable view. Number 8. Kayak to Benagil Cave. Few experiences capture the magic of the Algarve like kayaking to Benagil Cave. As you glide across the blue waters, you'll discover secret coves, rugged cliffs, and the famous natural dome that glows with golden sunlight from above. Inside, the reflections of the ocean dance on the cave walls, creating a scene so surreal it feels almost sacred. It's a bucket list adventure that perfectly captures Portugal's wild coastal beauty. Number 7. Lagos Science Center, Centro, Ciencia Viva de Lagos. For families and curious travelers, the Lagos Science Center offers hands-on discovery and creativity. Explore interactive exhibits on astronomy, biology, and physics, or step into the planetarium to journey through the stars. Outside, the Science Garden adds a playful touch to your day, blending learning with the warm Algarve sun. It's a great stop to balance your historic and beach explorations. Number 6. Lagos Fortress, Forte da Ponta da Bandeira. Standing guard at the water's edge, the Lagos Fortress once defended the harbor from pirate attacks during the 17th century. Today, its thick stone walls and arched gateways still echo with the spirit of discovery. Inside, a small maritime museum displays ancient cannons, maps, and relics from Portugal's seafaring past. Climb to the ramparts for sweeping views of the coastline, where history meets horizon. Number 5. Lagos Municipal Museum, Museo de Lagos, Dr. José Formosinho. Dive deeper into Lagos's history at the Municipal Museum, a treasure trove of artifacts and art. Named after Dr. José Formosinho, a renowned scientist and archaeologist, the museum features exhibits spanning prehistory to the modern age. Discover religious relics, sacred art, and displays on geology and marine life, all celebrating the Algarve's unique natural and cultural heritage. Number 4. Lagos. Marina de Lagos. For a taste of modern elegance, visit the Marina de Lagos, where luxury yachts, cozy cafes, and ocean breezes set the perfect mood. Take a stroll along the promenade, lined with palm trees and restaurants serving fresh seafood. It's an ideal place to relax after a day of exploring, or to book a boat tour that reveals Lagos's dramatic coastline from a whole new perspective. Number 3. Seven Hanging Valleys Trail, Percurso dos Sete Vales Suspensos. Just a short drive away lies one of Portugal's most iconic hiking routes, the Seven Hanging Valleys Trail. This breathtaking coastal path winds past towering cliffs, sea arches, and panoramic viewpoints that overlook the shimmering Atlantic. Along the way, you'll discover Marinha Beach, often ranked among the most beautiful beaches in the world. Every step offers postcard-perfect views and a deep connection to nature. Number 2. Day Trip to Sagres. A 30-minute drive west takes you to Sagres, a rugged frontier where history and wilderness collide. Start at the Sagres Fortress, a 15th-century bastion overlooking the endless sea, then continue to Cape St. Vincent, known as the end of the world before the age of discovery. As the sun dips below the horizon, the cliffs blaze in gold and crimson light. Sagres is also a haven for surfers and adventurers, offering waves, wilderness, and wonder. Number 1. Luz Village, Praia da Luz. End your Lagos journey in the serene seaside village of Luz, where time slows and simplicity reigns. Stroll along the oceanfront promenade, unwind on Luz Beach, or enjoy a seafood lunch with panoramic sea views. Explore the Nossa Senhora da Luz Church and nearby Roman ruins to uncover layers of local history. Luz captures the essence of the Algarve, peaceful, picturesque, and endlessly welcoming. Final thoughts. From ancient fortresses and sacred churches to golden beaches and secret sea caves, Lagos is where Portugal's soul meets the sea. It's a place that blends adventure with serenity, where every sunrise feels like a new beginning and every sunset feels like a farewell to paradise. If this guide inspired your wanderlust, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Lagos moment in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and let Portugal's rhythm carry you wherever the waves may lead.